Hello guys, hope you're well. In this tutorial video, we're gonna go through how to track your calories and track your food to work towards your goals, whether it's fat loss, muscle building, or maintaining what you have. First, you need to download MyFitnessPal from the App Store or Google Store. Once you download the app, you're gonna register using your email or Facebook. This is the main, as you can see here, this is the main page of the app. First, we're gonna set up the goal for yourself. So if you press on food on the top, now you press on food again, press on any of the macronutrition or the macronutrition here. Now you can see the goal. Obviously we're using the free version, so we won't be able to put gram by gram for the macronutrition, protein, carbs and fat, but we're gonna get to as close as possible. So if we press on goals again, so you can see the calories on the top here, and if we press on it, we can adjust that. How to find your calories, you're gonna find another video where to explain how to get or calculate your calories, and easy way to do that is using the calorie calculator that I provide you. Anyway, so we're gonna put the calories, say that you have 2000 calories to consume. You press OK to activate it, and then you can see here the macronutrients. We're gonna update that by percentage because, like I say, we're using the free version. Unless you have the premium version, you can update it gram by gram. So you can see how many grams on the top here and percentage down here. What we're gonna do is get as close as we can to the percentage that we need. So say that you need 200 gram of protein, so we're gonna try to go to 40, and that's gonna give us 200 gram. Now the fat gonna be about 30. So if we go to 10%, that will take us to 22, 15% will take us to 33. This is close to 30 as we could, and the rest obviously gonna be for carbs. So now if we press OK to activate that, now this is activated. We go back again, close that, and you can see that your goal is 2000 calories. If you press on food in the middle here, you can see your goals has been set in the middle here under nutrition page. 200 gram of protein, 225 gram of carbohydrates, and 30 gram of fat. Obviously it's 30, not 33, but when it comes to carbs and fat, we say it's irrelevant in a way that it's not as important to us as protein and calories. As long as you're hitting your protein target to keep the muscle tissues, to retain as much muscle tissues. If we are in a deficit, we will be in a good place if we maintain the deficit in general. So now, how are we gonna work that out? So it's very, very easy to use to add food to that. So you can see add food on the side here under breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. What you're gonna do, you press add food, and on the top right corner here, you can see the barcode. And with that, if you press on it, I'll bring some food I have on me now. So we're gonna scan that, and it will come straight away. This is sardines from Sainsbury's. You can see the brand is Sainsbury's, and it's sardines and olive oil. You just need to be sure that the serving size here is the right one. So it's a 1 unit. Basically, I'm using the whole can, and the serving size, I'm having 1 can only. Sometimes I would have 2 cans of sardines at one go, so I will change that to 2 if I do. But I'm gonna keep that for 1 for now, and then I will say yes and take the box on the top, and as you can see, it's in already. Now if you press on food on the top, you can see that you had already consumed 20 gram of protein, no carbs so far, and about 19 gram of fat. So that out of your targets, which in the middle here, you're gonna find that this is what's left for you. So if we go back again and we try to scan something else that I would have, say again that we're gonna do is a barcode, and I'm gonna grab biscuit, wheat biscuit, and I'm gonna try to scan the barcode here. Again, straight away, we're gonna get the wheat biscuits. the serving size here is 2 biscuits. If I press on it, I can choose 1 biscuit instead, and that will help me to choose odd number for the number of servings. Say that I have 3 biscuits instead of 2, so I can add that. Okay on the top right, and that being edited straight away. Now we go again to food, and you can see that this has changed now with updated with whatever you have on. Now what you need to bear in mind that if you track as you go, you can keep looking on the nutrition page of food to see how much you consumed and how much you have left. However, that being said, if you are not experienced tracking your food and you only just started tracking your food, this will be a little bit hard, because say that you come towards the end of the day and it's 8-9 o'clock in the evening and you out of your protein target by 30 to 40 gram of protein. What you're gonna do then? There is not much you can do before bed, because you don't want to eat before bed, straight before bed, or you're full, or you don't have food for any reason. You don't want to do that. So the best way to go around this is if you plan your food ahead. So say that I'm sitting down now, I will keep going with add food, scan the foods I have, or I will plan ahead what I will have. Say that I'm gonna have, for example, I press add food and the search bar here. If I don't have a QR, so or a barcode, I'll press in the search bar and I'll write, for example, banana, and I will have a medium banana. Obviously, the more you use in the app, the more you will have in your history search, and then you can just choose it straight away. So I'm gonna have 2 bananas tomorrow, for example, and I will add that. And I will keep going with my food as I'm planning for lunch, dinner, snacks, and I will see how much I have left from the food here. Now, if I have still a big amount or a small amount of protein or a small amount of calories, because I'm planning ahead, I still have a long time in my day to fix the problem. But if I'm at the end of the day, it will be very, very hard to sort the problem at this point. So the best way to do it, if you plan ahead, you can plan 2 days in advance, you can plan 3 days in advance, you can plan only 1 day in advance, and you keep going day by day. So hope that helped you. As always, if you have any question, please come back and send me a message, and we will go through this again if needed. Have a great day.